Hi, Dean. I need you to rewrite a sentence. So, 32% is really high, but it's because you have lots of quotes. But I did check the report and I saw one sentence that needs rewriting, and it's this one right here at the bottom of your first page. So the strictest definition of plagiarism is three words in a row, the same as the original. And when I see a spotty um, sort of Turnitin report like this, I figure that this whole sentence needs to be, or two sentences need to be rewritten. And it's easy to do. You have to restructure the sentence, and you do that by picking a new subject. So, like, let's look at the first sentence. Global warming, the gradual heating of Earth's surface, which can affect and create. Well, that's a fragment too. So you need synonyms and you need to restructure the sentence. So let's begin with greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is what scientists call the we need a synonym for gradual, the slow heating of you need some synonyms here. The slow heating of the earth or something like that. Anyway, I'm not being able to do it on the fly, but I think you get my point that you start with a new subject and you find synonyms, and that's how you avoid this problem. And it's really important to avoid this problem, and always in every class. So if you could rewrite these two sentences so that there's no plagiarism and resubmit, that would be great.